Hello, welcome back to this channel again, Daily Dose of Mathematics. So, आज हम पढ़िबा what is a Cramer's rule, okay? So, Cramer's rule पढ़िया पूर्वरु I'm going to give you one example that we have been solving through ages. Okay? This is the example that I have given. And it was the first equation. I will the second equation. ଆମେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢ଼ିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଦୁଇଟା ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ ଆମକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା ମାନେ କ'ଣ ନା we need to find what is the value of x and what is the value of y so that this x and y will simultaneously they will fit into this means they will satisfy in this system. So we are going to find what exactly x and y ଆମେ କେମିତି ସଲ୍ଭ କରୁଥିଲେ ନା ଦେଖ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କେମିତି କରାଉଥିଲା ନା ପ୍ରଥମେ କ'ଣ କରାଉଥିଲା ଏଠି କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଅଛି 4 ଅଛି ଏଠି କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଅଛି 6 ଅଛି ଆଉ ଏଠି କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଅଛି 3 ଅଛି yର ଆଉ ଏଠି କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଅଛି 5 ଅଛି ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଅନନୋନ୍ ଭେରିଏବଲ୍ x or y ସେମାନଙ୍କର କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆମେ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ଫେଡ଼ୁଥିଲେ କି ମିଶାଉଥିଲେ ଯାହା କରୁଥିଲେ ହେଲା ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖ ଯଦି ଏଠି 4 ଅଛି ଏଠି 6 ଅଛି ତ ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ରେ କେତେ ଗୁଣା ହେବ ଆଉ ଏ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ରେ କେତେ ଗୁଣା ହେବ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କର କୋଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ହେବ ତ ଏଠି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ଯଦି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ରେ ଆମେ 3 ଗୁଣିବା ତ କେତେ ହେବ ଏଇଟା 12 ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ ଯଦି ଆମେ 2 ଗୁଣିବା ତ ଏଇଟା 12 ହେଇଯିବ ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଅପରେସନ୍ ଆଡ଼ିସନ୍ କି ସବଟ୍ରାକ୍ସନ୍ କରିପାରିବା ତ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ 1 ଇଣ୍ଟୁ 3 କଲି ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ 1 ଇଣ୍ଟୁ 3 କଲେ କେତେ ଆସିଲା 3 ଇଣ୍ଟୁ 4x ମାଇନସ୍ 3y is equal to 3 into 11 है then equation 2 into 2 कले कहते 2 into 6x plus 5y is equal to 2 into 7 है then what is the answer अब कौन है वो ना 3 into 4 is equal to 12x minus 3 into 3 is equal to 9y sorry equal to 3 into 11 is 33 okay now 2 into 6 is what 12 then 2 into 5 is plus 10y equal to 7 दुणे 14 है तो बर्तमान यही कोफिशिएंट दीटा कौन है इक्वल हो गला then what I'm gonna do is I will subtract so subtraction कले प्लस माइनस 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 है कले कौन हे एटा गोटे कैनसल एटा गोटे कैनसल हो गला कैनसल होगा के आसला 0 आसला एटा कौन हे माइनस माइनस ऑलरेडी माइनस है माइनस 10 माइनस 9 तो माइनस 19 y इक्वल टू केते 33 रु 14 गले केते आसीबो 33 14 गले 33 14 गले 19 आसीबो है that means y is equal to 19 by minus 19 so 19 by minus 19 is nothing what minus 1 so the value of y is what minus 1 okay so now we found what is the value of y then we can solve for the value of x but we know that the x 4x minus 3y but 4x minus 3y is equal to 11 and what is the value of y y is minus 1 so you put the minus 1 here instead of y so 4x minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 11 so 4x minus into minus is equal to what plus okay we know that so we are going to use that so it is going to be 3 and it is equal to 11 so 4x is equal to 11 this 3 if it comes to the right side it is going to be negative 3 okay so 4x is equal to 8 then x is equal to 8 by 4 that is going to be 2 so we know that finally we found out what is the answer x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 and this is the answer we have got And now we can check whether this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1 will satisfy in this system. Okay, so what is that? 4x minus 3y is equal to 11, and there is what? 6x plus 5y is equal to 7. 6x plus 5y is equal to 7. Okay, देखो ये आम पुट कर बर्तमान x इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 2 माइनस 3 इंटू -1 केते आसिला 4 दुणे 8 minus minus plus 3 equal to 11 आसिला आंसर. So it is satisfying. Again you check here, 4 into, sorry not 4, this is going to be 6 into 2 plus 5 into -1, so 6 दुणे 12 minus 5 12 minus 7 आसिला. So it is satisfying again. But one mathematician, his name is Cramer, he has found out one simple way, and it's very nice and efficient way to find the value of x and y. So we are going to discover that here. Okay, देखो एटा होची सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन हैला. ए सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन रो कोन एटा होची कोफिशिएंट x रो कोफिशिएंट आ एटा होची y रो कोफिशिएंट फॉर द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. एटा होची x रो कोफिशिएंट फॉर, एटा होची y रो कोफिशिएंट फॉर द सेकंड इक्वेशन. से कोन कला 4 -3 6 5 तो कौन कला से गोटे मैट्रिक्स आकार लिखला. और जो राइट साइड अच्छी 11 और 7 को सी 11 और 7 को सेमती लिखला मैट्रिक्स आकार. एंड दिस पोर्शन हियर इज कॉल्ड कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स. कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स. ओके, and the entire thing है ना. देखो एती पोर्शन एती पोर्शन एती पोर्शन this is called coefficient matrix. And this one is, the entire portion is called augmented matrix. This is called augmented matrix है. तो देखो एबे हमको कौन बाहर करिया पड़बे x और y रे वैल्यू. तो एटा होची x रो कोफिशिएंट, ये 4 और 6 होची x रो कोफिशिएंट ए सिस्टम रे, और -3 और 5 होची y रो कोफिशिएंट, और होची राइट हैंड साइड वैल्यू है. तो वर्तमान हमको कौन आनिया पड़िबो. Now we need to find x and y such that it will fit into this original system. तो से कौन कला फर्स्ट रे ये जो कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स अछि ए कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स रे डिटरमिनेंट बाहर कला. Suppose the determinant will be like this. This simple determinant that will be what? 4 into 5 minus what? 6 into -3. So it is going to be 4 into 5 is what? 4 into 5 minus 6 into -3. So 4 into 5 is what? 20 minus up minus plus 6 into 3 is 18. So it is going to be 38. Okay. Now we can go for del x. Okay. We can go for del x. Okay, I'm going to write down again. Just wait. This is the system. Okay, this is the system. A system এটা হচ্ছে x, এটা হচ্ছে x এর কোফিশিয়েন্ট, এটা হচ্ছে y এর কোফিশিয়েন্ট. এই সিস্টেমের जो डेल आसिला केते आसिला ना 4 into 5 minus 6 of minus 3. So it is going to be 38. तो हमको बाहर करवा नेक्स्ट कौन जे डेल ऑफ एक्स डेल ऑफ एक्स मान केमती आसीबो ए डेल ऑफ एक्स रे कौन करा जीवो ए जो मैट्रिक्स आसले ए जो कोफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स रे कौन कराबो ना जेहेतु हमको डेल ऑफ एक्स बाहर करा जीवो तो एटा को हमको ओमिट करिया पड़िबो ओमिट करिकी 11 और 7 को रिप्लेस करिकी तार डिटरमिनेंट बाहर कराबो तो डेल ऑफ एक्स विल बी determinant of how much this 11 and 7 will come to this picture and minus 3 5 okay now you find the determinant so 11 into 5s are 55 minus 7 into minus 3 is what minus 21 so it is going to be 55 minus plus 21 so it is going to be how much 76 okay so del of x is what 76 this is del of x del of x now you go for del of y what is del of y the same thing कौन अच्छी बर्तमान एबे y को आम रिप्लेस करवा y जो कोफिशिएंट एटा अच्छी आ बदल आम 11 और 7 को आम पुट करवा पुट कले केते हो ना 4 6 जेमती सेमती रहला जेहेतु हमको डेल ऑफ y बाहर करियार अछि सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट -3 and 5 column here instead of that we are going to replace 11 and 7 11 and 7 now what is the answer 4 into 7s are 4 into 7 minus 6 into 11. It is going to be 28 minus 66. So 28 minus 66 will be how much? Minus 40. So it is going to be minus 38. Okay. So now we can find what is x. X is nothing but del of x divided by del. Same thing y is nothing but del of y divided by del. So del of x is how much 76 divided by what is the del is nothing but the coefficient matrix what is del 38 so it is going to be 38 so it is going to be 2 because the 2 times of 38 is 76 next del of y is equal to minus 38 divided by 38 it is going to be 1 so we have got the answer what is x okay and we have got the answer what is y the value of y is 1 the same thing we have found for the in the previous method so this is a new way of solving what system of linear equations okay thank you